my butter. Okay. Oh, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup. We have a cute little collection today. The cute little collection we're going to be talking about today is ColourPop's Tinkerbell collection. I did end up grabbing 2 items out of the collection. So before we jump into these cuties, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And as well, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So you guys already know. Let's jump right on into these. All right, so you guys already know I'm going to talk about this packaging because this packaging is immaculate with this collection. So I did get this off the ColourPop's website, and this does retail for 16 smackers. It is on Ulta's website, and it's the same price as well. And then I believe this blush, I want to say it's $9, but I'll put it down below, guys. I believe this is between that $7 to $15 range for the blush. I did grab the palette. It's called Sprinkle a Little Magic. This is a very cute, very cute packaging. So right in the front, we have a cute little Miss Tinkerbell. Has Tinkerbell in the top right corner, and then right in front of her has a sprinkle, a little bit of magic. The thing I like about the front of this packaging too is that it does have kind of like a, if you guys can see up close, it does have the butterflies are kind of like, I want to say laminated, they're kind of shiny. So the gold like stars in there are like a gold glitter, like sparkleized. I was like, oh, I like the little details in this palette. It's really cute. And then when you turn on the back, y'all, you do get 9 shades. Again, pressed powder palette. The outline of the shades on the back, it is that gold sparkle glitter around there as well. I like that. Front was cute, the little stars, but the back, I was like, oh, it's sparkly in the back too. It's just so cute. I like the whole vibe of this palette. Has a little weight to her, so you guys probably already know where I'm going with that. Open her up. Cute little mirrors. So on the left side of this palette, we have a cute little Tinkerbell, kind of her silhouette over there. And then of course we have those 9 beautiful shades. Look at those big old pans. ColourPop is coming with some big round pans. I'm noticing this trend. I'm noticing it now. Next out of the collection that I did snag, it is the Super Shock Cheek. This is called Darling in the Tinkerbell collection. So this packaging is just like the palette as well. It does have the Darling at the top, and then also has the showcase of the color in there. Tinkerbell is right there in the front. And on the box too, we got Tinkerbell and a cute little key on each side of the box. Inside the box, they do have Tinkerbell flying around there with her little pixie dust and everything. It's very cute. When you open her up, you do have Tinkerbell and Darling right there in the front of the container. And then on the back, the sticker says Tinkerbell, then it says Darling again, the name. And then when you open it up, this is the shade inside. So it's a Super Shock, that very nice formula. I love Super Shock shadows. I love them from ColourPop, and I do like their blushes as well. So guys, I just wanted to talk about the packaging a little bit. Like I said, I only grabbed 2 things. I believe they do have lips. You guys know in the past, I have tried their lip stains, and of course, go check out that video if you like. And I do like it. I just feel like the colors in this collection, I was like, I don't want to grab a lippy. So I did stick to the blush and the palette in this whole collection. Anywho, I did use the palette and the blush on my face today to get this cute little look. So if you guys want to get this look, just stay tuned. right, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I did. Once again, I think I love all our tutorials. I love all putting it on and showing you guys and everything. So let's jump back into this cute little palette. So with this Tinkerbell palette, like I said earlier, you do get 9 shades. In this palette, they do give you 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. Then they give you 5 shimmers. This color scheme play out, I feel like they have a lot of green palettes. I have a few of their green palettes from ColourPop. And I feel like these two up here, I didn't need them. That is Second Star and Big Magic. Those two nude, very cool neutral tone mattes. I didn't need them. I didn't need them. I would have loved to see a deeper brown in this palette. They should have made that a nice chocolatey brown, or like a warm brown. That would have been very pretty. And they should have just made this actually more like stark white, because this is that cool tone kind of pinky. And I'm just kind of like, That's just a darker version of it. Those two shades were just, I tried to swatch it before to see, and it was just like, it's not showing up on me. And I don't like that. I don't like when something doesn't show up. You know, in this day and age, every color should show up on everyone's different skin tone. There shouldn't be no confusion. So those two shades to me were just like, kick them out. Didn't need them. So the shimmer in the middle though, Small Fairy, I did use her right in the inner corner and on my waterline. She is nice and smooth. Let me tell y'all, these shimmers in this palette is buttery and smooth. I love a shimmer, but that's like smooth like butter. I still like when they do this with their shimmer. I've noticed lately their shimmers kind of have this formula, especially in these bigger pans, and I'm like, keep it up. And then this whole row is nothing but shimmers. We have Tink, Pixie Dust, and Neverland. You guys seen I mixed Tink in there a little bit with the Pixie Dust, but the Pixie Dust is the one that took over. She is the showstopper. She is gorgeous. I didn't get to grab a Neverland too much. I like to play with the deeper greens together and see how it pops, you know, especially during fall time, you know, coming up. Again, the shimmers were done very, very well. I think Pixie Dust is the best shimmer out of this palette, really. I'm not gonna lie, she just hits. It's just like, boom, there you go. Last row, Sleep, Place Between, and Awake. The mattes down here, fantastical. I wish these two would just go because these did so well. I didn't get to use Place Between, but I'm pretty sure that's gonna be very, very nice. That is a dark chocolatey brown. Now, the only thing is Sleep, and you guys see I was blending her out. I kind of wanted her to be a little bit more blendable. And it wasn't patchy, but she kind of disappeared. I had to pack her on a little bit more the second time. But after the second time, it was all good. It's built up like I wanted. The Awake one, of course, she did well. She was like, okay, I'm good. So to me, overall in this palette, the shimmers did the best and got me exactly from one swatch alone, got me what I wanted. Oh, and guys, I just realized too, Peter Pan, the little kids are in the palette flying by here. I just realized, I was like, oh, there's Peter Pan. Anyways, but yeah, the names are very, very cute, very fitting to the whole aesthetic of Tinkerbell. So this color story, guys, it's very cute, but I feel like fall, well, I wouldn't wear this in fall, but for Christmas and January, yeah, those greens and that brown down there, yeah. I feel like summertime, if you're a green fan, you probably like this anyways. But truthfully, overall, the ColourPop, they have a lot of green palettes, and I feel like this is just another one. I'm like, okay, I've seen her before, but she's cute. So last out of the collection, guys, is the Super Shock Cheek in Darling. Usually ColourPop's blushes, guys, on melanized skin is atrocious. So I was thinking like, I'm gonna try it. It looks like something. She looks like she's gonna do something. She looks like it. I like her. This is a very, very nice. I haven't bought Super Shock Cheek in a very long time. It is kind of like a copper penny kind of like, but it's softer on my cheek and my skin tone. I feel like it's giving me a little peachy glow with a little bit of copper. It's a very, very pretty shade. I'm a little bit shocked as I feel like I look so dewy on the cheeks and cheek. But I like this one. This shocked me, well, it's the name. It did truly shock me. I was like, okay, ColourPop, because usually their blushes, especially the matte ones, they have not the Super Shock thing. Like I said, this one surprised me, but I think she did the job well. I feel like summertime is going to be very much popping. Wintertime is going to be very pretty as well. I feel like when I put a gold highlighter, like I put on the Trophy Wife on top, looking mad cute. I also too can see me putting this over my lip and my eye, just having the whole shebang and pop on the lash and go. They did it with this collection. They did it with this shade. She's cute. I don't think I have any blush that has that peachy, copper, dewy look to it on my cheeks. I have, you know, peach. I have a dewy one, but I don't have the combination of the two. She's going right in my collection. All right, guys. So overall, with this whole collection, I think it's very, very cute. Like I said, I didn't get to grab any of the lippies, but from the blush and palette so far, they did pretty well. I feel like with the whole theme of it all, and, you know, like I said, a lot of green palettes, you kind of, you know, you start making the same looking colors, but the pan size and the texture of the shimmers in the palette is very, very good. So I was like, that got me hooked. Y'all got me with that one. That blush was fantastic. I said, ooh, if they keep making these more shades that show up on my melanite skin, I'll start buying Super Shock Cheek blushes from them. Overall, to me, the blush did the best. And I'm like, the palette should do the best. But overall, to me, the blush is what really did it for me in this collection. The palette overall packaging is very cute. The sitting on your vanity is gonna be adorable, especially if you're a Tinker fan. At the end of the day, I believe 2 of the products I got from this whole collection, it's cute, she's okay. The blush did better, but they're still just okay. Like I wanted Pixie Dust Gloss or something like that. Like really give it to me. Like I really wanted something. That would have been so cute. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know in the comments below, guys, are you a Tinkerbell fan? Also, don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I will catch y'all on the next one. Bye.